guys, it's Anna here today, and so we're playing this, and I was about to be, like, this tiny to win the thing, and so it was so crazy, and I couldn't do it. I'm not doing it with that one. I want luck. That looks like a bad one. Yeah, let's play a diamond box. And a rainbow box, right? We'll just wait. Too much, too much. That'll be a really laggy one. Let's do Patrick. Hope that's Patrick. Like, it looks like a pig. The face. Oh, well. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't crash into that, people. So, I was so about to win before I made this video. And my goal is to make it. And I'm so excited. It was a rainbow box, and I hope maybe Patrick will have a little luck. Oh my gosh, why am I sideways? I want to be like straight. No! Okay, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I don't like these boxes that much. Oh, my friend, she's texting me. Here. Oh my gosh, she needs to stop texting me. Okay, let's see. Your buddies or half you look. What? I'm not even looking at the screen. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm right there. Almost done. Almost, like, no one does that winners. Oh my gosh, I died. Oh my gosh, I asked her not to delete my friend. She plays in Roblox. She gets so. Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like. That's bad. The Illuminati box, not gonna happen. Let's get the rainbow box. That's what my box was. This one I look when you like my eyes. Let me look. Minion box. I want to see which one wins. I don't like the arrow. Oh my gosh, Patrick. I was so good in Patrick. She was like saying. She's texting me right now. She said, I did that black. All your animals, your buddies, in Animal Jam. I deleted Animal Jam because I didn't like it. And so I gave her my password. I'm not giving it away on the sheet because I know her in real life and I can ask her back anytime I want. The hacker did this. I was just playing with my friend that I was a hacker. Wow. I'm not even looking. You don't even have to control it. Oh my gosh, please don't have. Where am I at? No, we're not that almost. I was about to win for like the mega jump. Like the almost done and then I failed. Safe. Okay guys, I am texting my friend and so she's saying that I'm sorry I let this happen. I'm like seeing what she says. Looks cute. Can you survive? I can't survive. Oh, almost there. Like, and after that one, I like died. Like after this one, I died. One more pod, drop pod. Okay, and so one more pod. No, no. Oh my gosh, I just died. I need to win. I need to win. I need to win. One more pod. I don't like that. Save all the time. No, I'm not doing that one. Let's do. I like this one. Stop. Stop. to the mailbox. Why is this thing back? I have to leave the game. We can do it without saying that. Let's close our eyes and see if I can make it. Oh, I'm upside down. I love it. Being upside down. Like I can't see. Now we're back right. Where's the base of the neon cat? Neon cat. Now we're going flipping everywhere. That's bad news. Oh no, please don't make it there. And now why does it have no face? There should have a cute face in it. Give more luck. How is it driving without looking? Okay, there it goes. Come on, give me some luck. I really like this stuff. I've been in one time. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. Oh, we just skipped something. That's bad luck. Oh, now we died. Well, really bad. I'm gonna try it one more time. Like, hope if we win. Come on, let's win. Let's win. I'm not doing that. No, I'm not doing that. I'm saying I'm not doing it. Spawn crate. Epic box. Who's in the winners? How much not? No. Like 1% at least. Can like bring you over there. One person can do that. No, this is a rainbow crate. I'm not doing it without the rainbow crate. Only the rainbow crates might. Nope, not looking. Let's do the Dorito. There, the Dorito. This is the last one. Because someone said this is a fail if we don't make it. But like, this is like the last chance we have. Ah! Slow and dirty. This is my second Roblox video, I guess. This is so hard. I'm scared. If we don't make it. I'm hoping I'll make it. Like, it's like so bad right now. What does it say? Like, it's so bad. I love these little boxes things, but they're really hard to make it. You have to have like lots of luck, and the box have to like you a lot, like a lot. And all about luck. Oh, someone gave me some because so something. So random people letting me, like friending me a lot. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. We need luck. We need some luck. Luck. Come on, guys. Luck. It's gonna happen. It's gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Survive. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. Like, all about luck. All about luck. Let's see if we can make it happy ending of the video. Come on, guys. We can do it. We can do this. We can do it. Caution, caution. Why did they make a water slide like this? I'm gonna drop pod. It's on its way. I heard that you have to like. My gosh. We made it, guys. We made it. Oh my god, we made it. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Whee! How do I fly? How do I fly? It won't let me fly. That's bad. Let's get one of these packs. Wait, wait. Okay, here we go. I love it. Okay, the condition. Why am I dying? Hey, this is going bad. Let's be sick. Like, that's so bad, guys. Let's do all these and then I'm really ending the video. Oh, jeez. Oh, so slow. How can I be driving? One more thing. Which one should I choose? Those. No, wait, two more things, not three things. Hey, I barely jump. Why am I like this? I don't like it. See? I don't like it. Oh my gosh, guys, the noise. I'm almost blending something. I can't see. I'm not controlling it. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye. Like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. So thanks for watching. Oh wait, wrong thing.